Hello, Neil. Can you unmute your audio and video? Oh, wow. So, hello, Neil. A very good evening to you. So, I'm introducing Neil Lichu Prakal, international rank 3. Yes, in NSO Science Olympiad SOF. That deserves a huge applaud, huge applaud. सो नील जब आपने एग्जाम दिया था एनएसओ का तब आपको लग रहा था ऐसे कि आपका इंटरनेशनल रैंक 3 आ जाएगा और 60 में से 59 मार्क्स आ जाएंगे?
Not at all, ma'am.
Be a little louder so that everybody can hear you.
Not at all, ma'am. I was not at all expecting this.
Okay, so first of all, Neil, introduce yourself. You are from which state?
I'm from Kerala, but I'm currently living in Maharashtra.
Okay, which place Maharashtra?
Pune.
Okay, so this time to it's very bad in Maharashtra and there must be a lot of curfew and government is taking a lot of steps. So
Yes,
we wish that all of you remain safe and healthy. That's the most important point, and take care of all the precautions. So out of all these, you were not going to school. इतना कोई फोकस स्टडीज नहीं था, फिर भी आपका एनएसओ में इतना अच्छा रैंक आया, वो कैसे आया?
Ma'am, first of all, Vedantu helped a lot. Like, I had never taken Olympiad seriously before. This was the first year I actually studied for Olympiads.
Oh,
so Vedant,
big thing. Neil says that वो पहले कभी पढ़ते ही नहीं थे, जस्ट फॉर्म भरते थे और पेपर दे आते थे.
Yes, ma'am. I just
फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा हुआ कि आपने सीरियसली ओलंपियाड को पढ़ा और ये
Yes,
जादू
ma'am.
हुआ वेदांतु की क्लासेस ज्वाइन करने
Yes,
से.
ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now you just tell कि आपको वेदांतु के बारे में कैसे पता लगा?
My father used to tell me that the concepts that I learn in school, to just see videos on them. So one day when I was seeing videos on them, I saw some videos of Vedantu Young Wonders. So I liked them, so I started seeing them. I started attending classes. So then I got to know about the other channels also.
Okay.
So then through those classes, I was able to get to know Vedantu better.
Oh, that's very great. So YouTube videos of Vedantu brought you to the Vedantu platform and then you
Yes,
joined NSO और वहां से आपकी तरक्की का सिलसिला शुरू हुआ. And I'm very much fond of you because in my classes you are always there to answer my questions. You are always interactive. Your name is there in the fastest fingers. Your name is there and in all the results also. So you are so dedicated. That's a big thing. अब वेदांतो क्लासेस में आने के बाद आपको क्या क्या चीजें मिली? मींस आपको कंटेंट मिला कि आपको क्या पढ़ना है एग्जाम के लिए, आपको क्वेश्चंस मिले प्रैक्टिस के लिए, आपको क्विजेस करने में मजा आया, क्या क्या चीजें मिली आपको?
Ma'am, since I'm in ICSE, I used to not know what the syllabus and everything of these Olympiads was. So after I joined Vedantu, that doubt was cleared. I knew that what to have to study, and then my understanding capability also increased a lot. And the quizzes were really very fun.
Oh, quizzes were fun. So means quizzes जो चलती हैं वो मतलब means on the web platform and which give you the fastest fingers, so that gives you fun. Okay. And that gives you motivation also. जैसे आपका लीडर्स, अच्छा आपका रिएक्शन क्या होता है जब आपका फास्टेस्ट फिंगर्स में आ जाता है या लीडर्स बोर्ड में आ जाता है? What is your reaction?
Ma'am, I'm really happy. Ma'am, I'm really very happy.
Really very happy. Then you go and tell and run to your mom and tell her कि like आज मैंने इतना अच्छा किया, आज मैं लीडर्स बोर्ड पर आया हूँ, ऐसा? अच्छा मम्मा या पापा हैं कोई आपके साथ? So let me tell everybody, all those who are listening to me, Neil is from Pune. He joined Vedantu through the YouTube and he got international rank 3 in NSO from grade 8. What was your rank last year?
Last year I did not give. I had given in I guess 3rd or 4th. I had tried all the SF Olympiads for the first time, and that time I found NSO really very tough. And then I stopped. After that I stopped giving NSO. So it was after I joined Vedantu, I started understanding things better. That is when I got courage to take NSO again.
Wow, wow. अब इस बार IMO में भी ऐसे ही करना है, मैथ्स ओलंपियाड में भी same. And I know you were coming in my YouTube sessions also. So revise all those sessions. मम्मा कहाँ है? मम्मा से पूछे जरा नील में क्या क्या चेंज आया, आपकी सिटिंग में कैसा चेंज आया? मम्मा is available?
Ma'am, my father teaches me.
Okay, anybody, any of the parents, any of the parents.
I will just call.
First of all, my good evening and pranam to you. Yeah.
Good evening.
I first of all congratulate the proud parents. Like the child has done so well. Neil has got international rank 3 in NSO. That gives a lot of booster to both the parents and the child. Actually, it shows, and to us, of course, it shows that the child is moving on the right track, and like he also gains the motivation कि अब मुझे और करना है. तो वो बहुत बड़ी बात है सर. इतना आसान नहीं. आप भी देखते हैं कि पहली बार तो बच्चे तैयार ही नहीं होते हैं ऐसे एग्जाम्स को देने के लिए. And if they give, then to get rank 3, and then you can see the difference in maths and science also. So that is very big thing. But अब हमें maths को भी pull up करना है equally. So what difference do you see in Neil after he joined Vedantu sessions or Olympiad batches?
He has definitely started liking his studies more, and his interest in science has grown. And now he is driven by himself for his studies. Nobody needs to be behind him for anything.
Okay. The main thing is that now he himself is driven. You don't have to force him.
Yes, correct.
And he जो चीज समझ नहीं आती है कि like tries to open the replays and tries to solve the questions, and he prepared on his own for the NS. So that was a change, right? Am I right?
Yes, he does everything on it. He plans his time. He balances that with his school studies.
Okay.
He does everything on his own. I don't need to be behind him unless he needs some guidance.
Okay.
Specific matters.
Okay.
That's a very big change.
That's a big change. That's a big change. If the child is becoming independent, and plus he's not wasting time, and he's looking at the good academic videos of Vedantu and attending the sessions and solving and balancing the school and the Olympiad, that's a big thing. And I'm very much sure this must have enhanced his school performance also a bit.
Definitely,
or he has maintained it constant.
It has improved because his interest in studies has grown. His interest in science has grown. His interest in science has grown. And now he tries to understand at a concept level, rather than learning by rote. He tries to understand conceptually more.
That's really great.
He does research on his own and finds out more about each topic, and then he goes ahead with his studies.
Wow, that's a big thing. So can we have Neil once again? Thank you so much, sir. That's a big thing. And if father says that, then definitely there is a change in a child. And we just pray that may God bless him with more and more such results. This is the first step of the ladder. And with us, for Vedantu will be holding his hand to make him reach wherever he wants to go. So he's aspiring for engineering or for medical?
He's aspiring for engineering.
He
wants to be a space scientist.
That's great. That he will surely be. Yeah. IIT is the doorway to go to all the researchers, because although KVPY exam is there in 11th and 12th, but you get more opportunities when you enter any of the countries through IITs, because फिर सारे दरवाजे आपके लिए खुल जाते हैं. So we'll take him. We'll try our best. Rather, we'll be supporting him for all the JEE entrance examinations, and you will find a sea change in him in this 1 year when he's enrolled in the 9th NTSC batch. So just from time to time, you keep on telling us what all he needs, and we are always there for his support. Right? So can we have Neil once again?
Sure, yeah, sure. You. Before I leave, just one more word of thanks to Vedantu and to you, ma'am, for all the classes.
Thank you so much. Thank you. We thank parents who trust upon us. You have entrusted your child to us, so that's a big thank you. Yes, Neil. So it was great. So now you have entered 9th NTSC batch. Am I right?
Ma'am, I've entered. Ma'am, I'm in 8th now, so I've entered the NSCJS, PRMO, and the NTSC Foundation batch.
NTSC Foundation. So you have taken up 3 batches. Will you be able to take the load of all the 3 batches?
Yes, ma'am. For the NSCJS and PRMO, I'll be attending the live classes, and since NTSE is clashing with NSE JS, I'll be seeing the replays.
Okay, that's great. So, but still try to attend maximum of the classes which are happening live, right? And keep on doing your
Yes,
best
ma'am.
and always attend the live YouTube session also. But बहुत ज़्यादा time on videos पर भी नहीं रखना है. After the class timings, you have to do a real practice from the books which are told by the teachers, right? And we'll be meeting from time to time. So, in a nutshell, I would like to tell everybody that Neil and his father says that after coming to Vedantu, Neil has developed a sea change. He has started studying on his own. He has developed the interest in studies, and he actually knows like what are the steps he has to take to achieve success in exam of JEE. He wants to be the space scientist, and you will be cracking the astronomy Olympiad also, right? So keep on working and do as your Vedantu teacher tells you. Don't miss a class. Trust us. Thank you so much, Neil.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Wonderful. Amazing. You can leave the meeting as I can't end it
Yes,
because
ma'am.
I have another child with me. So thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Amazing. Amazing. Bye bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.